Good morning guys, in front of me is HAFURY GT20 and let me show you some of the secret codes that you can use on your phone. To enter any secret code you have to open your phone dialer, then go to keypad, and let me start with the first code that you can use, which is *##426 ###. And here we've got FCM diagnostic mode. In this panel you can check events and status, and if you want to explore it a bit more, tap on more icon and mark advanced view. And that's it. Here you've got way more data. Let me go back. Another code that you can use is *##225 ###. Here we've got calendar info, so any calendar that is connected with your device, all data connected with this calendar, all the events, celebrations, and so on, whatever is entered to the calendar as an event would be displayed over here, so you will not forget about any upcoming celebration. And the last code, the shortest also, is *##06#, and here you can smoothly check your email number. Tap on OK to exit, and that's it. So this is how you can enter secret codes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.